Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Thursday, October 25th. Stocks stabilized after Tuesday's sell-off with the broad market E-mini S&P down 2 points at 1405 on the day. The high was 1415 with a low at 1402 on a consolidation session. Support sits at 1400 and the resistance at the 1425 pivot from the last few weeks. The Dow futures also had a tight range of less than 100 points on the day. The blue chips finished down 25 points at 13,017. The 13,000 level below is a psychological support to watch out for. The E-mini NASDAQ 100 tech stocks were down 0.33% to 2652, down 9 points. Watch for earnings in Apple and Amazon over the next few days. The 2650 lows from Tuesday and the 2600 even act as support on the E-mini NASDAQ. Crude continued its slide down under 95 cents at 85.75 per barrel. New relative lows were made at 84.94 on Wednesday to keep an eye on. The euro currency finished just below the 130 level and the dollar at 80 finished unchanged yesterday. Bonds did move lower, down nearly half a point to 147.09 in another sign of stability. Gold dipped below 1700 during the session before a close at 1703, down 7. Silver was unchanged and finished at 31.75. So after a quiet session yesterday to halt the Tuesday sell-off, where did the market stand this Thursday morning to start the trading day? Well, we've got the euro currency up a little bit here. We're up 20 points, back above the 130 level as the dollar has dropped below 80 again. December bonds as a volatility indicator are down a full point to 146.5 after a peak Tuesday at 148. Other asset markets are gaining right now. Crude oil is up 70 cents at 86.45 with former channel support now resistance at 88. Oil had more than a month-long sideways range for the December contract between 88 and 94. Gold held the $1,700 support, and right now in gold we're $16 higher at $17.17. Silver is 50 cents higher at a 1.5% gain to $32.15 per ounce. So as we get started on this Thursday morning, the E-mini S&P right now, as we stand, is up 8 points at 1416. Dow futures are up 67 points, and the NASDAQ futures are 20 points higher, 0.7% with an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up the current action on this Thursday morning, the euro currency is 22 points higher, bonds are a full point lower, crude is holding up 65 cents, and gold is $15 higher. Stock futures are higher with the E-mini S&P at 1413, up 8. Dow futures here at the CME Group are 67 points higher at the 13,080 level. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on commodities, futures, and options. I'll see you early Friday morning for the stir in the markets to set up your trading day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.